Hello, my name is Griffin Lovern, and I will be presenting to you today about nutrition. So, what are calories? Calories are just a measurement of the use of energy throughout your body. Calories are on most nutritional labels when you eat. Most of the time they are. Sometimes they're not. And also, most of the time, a calorie on a nutrition label refers to a kilocalorie, not an actual calorie. So, how many calories should you eat a day? Most of us are high school or college students who I'm presenting this to. So, if you were between the ages of 14 and 25 and you are active, you should consume on average 2,400 calories a day. Now, if you are 14, 18, so around high school range, and you are not active, then you should consume around 1,800 calories per day. Now, if you were around 19 to 25, which is around college age, and you are also not active, then you should consume around 2,000 calories per day. So, what is protein? Most people know protein as muscles or repairing muscles or something to do with getting stronger and bigger. So, and it does a lot more than that. Protein obviously repairs muscles, but protein also repairs and develops bone, skin, and red blood cells. When you eat protein, your body breaks them down into amino acids, which are basically just smaller molecules. Your body needs a total of 20 different amino acids. By itself, it can produce 11 of them. And in protein, there's 9 of them that which your body cannot produce and which you gain from protein. Therefore, this is why you need to eat protein. And also, the amount of protein that you need to eat, it should be around 10 to 35% of your calories should come from protein. If you're more active, it should probably be closer to 35%. Now, if you're less active, it should probably be closer to 10%. So, how much water should you be drinking daily? If you are a male, you should drink around 15 and a half cups of water every day. Now, if you are a female, you should drink 11 and a half cups a day, so around 4 cups less. If you exercise, you should drink more than your assigned cup of water every day. So it should be, if you're a male, think 15 and a half. And when you're exercising, even more than that, every time you exercise. Now, if you're a female, 11 and a half, you drink more if you exercise. One way to know if you are staying hydrated is if your urine has no color or is very light yellow. Another way to know is if you are not thirsty ever. If you're never thirsty, that is another great way to know that you do not need water. And here are my works cited, the Access to Health 16th edition by Rebecca Donatel, and then Nutrition and Healthy Eating. This is at mayoclinic.org, and it was actually by the whole Mayo Clinic staff. And then also another mayoclinic.org, it is Are You Getting Enough Protein? And this was published by Christy Wimpin. Thank you.